Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Lexus SC. I just actually bought it yesterday, and it came up yesterday. I bought it about a week ago and got a transport truck to come up and deliver it. So I thought I would show you guys a quick walk around of the Lexus SC, and I'll get around to doing a full review kind of video once I've owned it for about a month or so. A little bit of storage in there, a little bit of storage lined with fuzzy stuff in there. Again, lined with fuzzy stuff. It's also damped. All this is nice, well built, and as you can see, leather material everywhere. Love how the speaker grills have got and the fabric on them as well. And the back seat, not too much room. A little bit of storage there. To open the boot, little fob, push, and lock. It does need a little clean out, but just got the car recently, so I need to give it, once the weather cleans up or dries up, I can get a chance to get in there and hoover all this out. Get a little pull tab just up here. If you're enjoying this video on the Lexus SC so far, make sure you hit that subscription button, really appreciate it. Move around the front. Quick look at the headlights, very sailboat-esque. Always loved the SC, it's quite nice, got the headlight washers down here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed my quick tour on the Lexus SC. I will be doing a full review video once the weather's better, and I've had it about a month or so. But I just literally got the car yesterday, and I thought I'd get this video up to you guys to show you what the SC looks like. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel below. Make sure if you like Lexuses or Lexus owner or Lexus fans, hit that subscription bell or the subscription button and notification bell, and comment below if you get any questions about the SC. So stay tuned for the next video. Ciao!